Greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to one and all. A very quick video today just to say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to you, and also to open up a gift that I have received from one of my sponsors, Turtle Wax, and just to share in the fun and excitement of what's inside, which will also show you some of the fun things that we're going to be playing with in 2021. So, without further ado, let's get it open. Okay, this is it right here, and I have conveniently got some scissors, so just... Okay, so a large plastic thing. So that looks kind of like a lid. Okay. Well, I guess I could probably lift this out entirely. Hello. Ugh. Yeah, so everything is enclosed within this, which, as you can see, is a detailing bucket, specifically a Hybrid Solutions detailing bucket, which I don't even know if you can buy these. I've seen the green turtle wax buckets before, but I've never seen one of these in real life, so that is awesome. And we do have a lid on here, so we need to get that off. Looks like it would double up as a seat, which is always very handy in a long detailing session. There we go. Da-da-da. So, our bucket is crammed full of goodies. So we have this first item right here, which I'm pulling out, is just a little booklet. So as you can see, the new range is called Hybrid Solutions Pro, and it is for 2021. They have been hard at work expanding on the Hybrid Solutions range and creating a bunch of new products under the Pro line of Hybrid Solutions. So this little booklet will just detail what is inside, but we can just manually grab out what's inside and see what we've got. So let's see. So Hybrid Solutions Pro graphene infused to the max wax. Tighter web of protection delivers long-lasting depth of color, gloss, slickness, UV protection, chemical resistance, water repellency, and stain prevention. Sounds like the ultimate in wax. It is like a liquid, so it's going to be super easy to apply. Yeah, there's loads of information on the back there, but yes, so that's one item. Next we have a spray bottle, and it is Hybrid Solutions Pro Graphene Infused Flex Wax. Tighter web of protection. Apply on dry or wet paint, then buff, dry, or rinse off for long-lasting gloss, slickness, UV protection, chemical resistance, water repellency, and stain prevention. So both of these products then being graphene infused, that is the new thing. So it's just a really awesome innovation. So the way that these products are going to stack up together, or separately indeed, is once the paint is prepped, we're going to be able to utilize this and get a really epic level of protection, and then we can top that protection up with this. It's going to be even quicker and convenient to use, being in a spray bottle, and on the various different ways that we can apply it. So we can top up the protection, graphene infused protection, with this item, with the Flex Wax, or indeed we could actually just use this by itself, especially if we already have some degree of protection already going on the car. We can just use this item and top that up and just use this as our new protection going forward. So it's just a very flexible, very innovative new set of products. And we have, of course, this other bottle right here. So Hybrid Solutions Pro Precision Platelet Technology, one and done compound correction and finish. Protection in less time. One formula provides unique abrasive technology that allows you to safely correct and finish any paint surface without switching products. So this is a really, really cool product. Also, another really cool innovation. So Turtle Wax have created these platelets, which they have, of course, utilized in this product, which allows you to have this one single product to correct scratches. So they say that it can do up to 1,000 grit scratches. So if you have wet sanded your paintwork, for example, with up to 1,000 grit, this will remove the 1,000 grit scratching. Not only that, it'll also go as far as being a complete finishing polish in this one single product. So it's really awesome and really innovative. And of course, it stacks up with the other 3 products here perfectly. So if you're starting off from just nothing, if you have a car that really needs sorted out, you would of course clean it up first, and then you would go for the Precision Platelet one and done compound, correct and prep that paintwork. Compared to other compounds and other polishes, this is dust free. So if you've ever done a bunch of polishing before, you'll know that once you buff it off, it basically sort of turns into this dust and it's kind of annoying. So that's just really awesome as far as, you know, how quickly you can progress from compound and polishing over to adding your protection and gloss. For a full-on job in terms of prepping the paintwork after doing the compound, you probably do want to do an IPA wipe down, but that will not take too long at all to do, and that of course would give the ultimate preparation to going on to the Max wax, graphene infused wax, and indeed the graphene infused flex wax. So it's a really nice stack, and it doesn't replace anything in the Hybrid Solutions range. You can indeed mix and match. Like I was saying, if you already have some ceramic coating protections, for example, from the Hybrid Solutions range, you can of course jump on over to this. You can actually go this, even on top of that, you can stack it and it will work great. It will add epic depth of gloss, it will add epic protection, and so it's just a really nice addition to the Hybrid Solutions range that sits really nicely in there with it. So that is the new products that we have here, but we do have a few more goodies that Turtle Wax have been very kind in sending over in this epic detailing bucket for me. So let's have a look at what we have. So we have a large microfiber cloth, edgeless, of course, no labels, so that is nice. We have a pad, so quite a large pad, you can see it compared to the size of my hand. So this will make application very easy if we're going to apply this or indeed this by hand. Some people would, you know, prefer to spray this on and then manipulate it around, but probably the best way is to spray this onto an applicator pad like this one and then apply it, and you can get much more precision with that. What else have we got here? So I can see here we have a range of polishing pads, so various levels of hardness, and of course color coded, so the yellow, orange, black. We then also have this super soft microfiber pad, which is awesome. And what else do we have? Oh, here is another one of those foam applicators. Very handy to have as many of those in your arsenal as you can. And we have another microfiber, this time in black. So Hybrid Solutions black for this one of course in Turtle Wax green. What we have, ooh, this is a super extra soft plush microfiber. Wow, look at if you can you see the pile in that? That is beautiful and soft, absolutely lovely. And then the final thing that we have then is a grit guard. The fins are fixed, so we don't have to mess around and putting them in place like you do with some grit guards, and it of course just fits perfectly into the Turtle Wax bucket. I am so looking forward to utilizing all of these products in the new year. This is a very exciting range of innovations that Turtle Wax has been working on over 2020. They kept it quiet that they were working on this stuff. They've clearly just been doubling down on research and development in 2020 and have come up with some awesome looking stuff. So yes, 2021 is just around the corner, and I cannot wait to get out and get some detailing done and play with these products and see how awesome they are. I have all the bits that I need to do so. So awesome. Thank you, Turtle Wax. So there we go, that is our quick little video unboxing the awesome gift from Turtle Wax and showing you what we're going to be playing with next year. It's an absolutely awesome pack of stuff, awesome products, looks really cool, and of course I've got a bunch of new accessories for my detailing arsenal, and that is absolutely awesome. So like I was saying, a big thank you to Turtle Wax for sending that over. A big thank you to Turtle Wax as well for all the support they've given me in 2020 and going forward into 2021. They have already said that there is more stuff happening in 2021, so that is very exciting, and I hope you're looking forward to that as much as I am. And yes, I will wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. A Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you and to all your families out there. I hope you have a good one, and I will see you very, very soon. Cheers.